Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Let's learn high horse, improver dance, 32 counts, 2 walls, no tags, no restarts. Here's a preview of the steps. Shuffle half turn, coaster, step and left, right, left, flick right, step, point left, jazz, box with a turn. Kick, ball, cross, heel, grind, right, coaster, step, paddle, paddle, left, rocking, chair, quarter, turn, tap, and start again. First 8. 2 shuffle turns and 2 walks. Going over your right shoulder. 5, 6, half turn, shuffle. Step together, step, half turn, step together, step. Right coaster, step, left walk, right. And the counts are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Second 8. Your left foot's free. You're going to step forward and then turn a quarter over your left shoulder on the ball of your foot with the right foot. Flick. Step, point left, jazz box, left jazz box, turning over your left shoulder a quarter. Jazz box with a turn. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third 8. Kickball cross, heel grind and a coaster step. Right foot, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8 with a kickball cross to the side, kickball cross to the side, heel grind, quarter, coaster step. So we're going to travel right and then heel grind a quarter to our 9 o'clock wall. 5, 6 with counts 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last 8. We're facing 9 o'clock. Our left foot's free. We're going to do 2 paddles, making a half turn. So paddle, paddle, rocking chair left, rocking chair, quarter turn over your right shoulder to face 6 o'clock with a step and a touch. And the fourth 8 counts are 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put it all together with words and then with counts from the top. 5, 6, 7 with your shuffle. Shuffle, turn, half turn, coaster. Walk, walk, step with the flick, step and point, jazz box. To the left, kickball cross, right heel, grind, coaster step, paddle, paddle, rocking chair and step, touch. And then you start again over your right shoulder. And the counts are 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. You deserve it. And just have fun. Bye.